Hey, it's just a pre-model or something. So I haven't done finished yet. It's a lot of work to do. So you can see, so you can see from the beginning. So AI.py. So I named it as Zuleika. What a bad name. Anyway, so for example, here's Khan, age 34, Dhaka, Bangladesh. So information will be error because I made the bad thing. So Zulekha is telling me, so how hi that, which is my name, Azim Khan, tell me what you want to know. So if I want to know about that particular market, for example, inventory. So company name, please, for example, Al Aqsa. The name of the product, for example, garlic. So it goes away because I didn't finish the coding yet. That's how it is. So কেমন হয়েছে বললো?